Curing fatty liver, a relatively straightforward liver condition, is achievable by addressing its root causes. The liver, known as the body's powerhouse, possesses remarkable self-healing capabilities once the factors causing fatty liver are eliminated. Contrary to fears, fatty liver disease, though needing attention, isn't an inherently perilous ailment. To aid the liver's self-healing process, there are a couple of lifestyle adjustments to consider. Firstly, minimize your alcohol consumption. Consuming alcohol places a strain on the liver, responsible for producing cholesterol and storing fat for energy. When excessive alcohol is consumed, the liver becomes overwhelmed as it filters and processes alcohol chemicals. This hinders the liver's efficiency in metabolizing stored fat, potentially leading to the development of fatty liver disease. Choosing to abstain from alcohol provides the liver with the opportunity to prioritize burning excess fat, facilitating a healthier liver function. This decision not only supports the prevention of fatty liver, but also contributes to overall liver well-being. By allowing the liver to recover and focus on its essential functions without the interference of excessive alcohol, individuals promote a more balanced and optimal liver function, reducing the risk of various liver-related complications. Secondly, combating obesity is essential in tackling fatty liver. Excess body weight, especially around the midsection, triggers increased fat storage, a key factor in fatty liver disease. Regular exercise plays a vital role in this scenario by actively burning fat and calories, assisting the liver in clearing excessive fat from the body. Weight loss, achieved through lifestyle modifications such as a healthier diet and increased physical activity, emerges as a pivotal strategy in the treatment of fatty liver. By adopting these changes, individuals not only contribute to reducing the risk of fatty liver, but also enhance their overall well-being, emphasizing the importance of a balanced lifestyle in managing this liver condition. Addressing insulin resistance is crucial in treating or reversing fatty liver disease. Insulin resistance, often connected to type 2 diabetes, plays a key role in the development of fatty liver. When cells become less responsive to insulin, the hormone that regulates blood sugar, the body struggles to efficiently use glucose for energy. Consequently, insulin signals the liver to convert excess glucose into fat. However, due to insulin resistance, cells resist this signal, causing increased fat accumulation in the liver. This process, known as hepatic lipogenesis, leads to the development of fatty liver, associated with various metabolic complications. Managing insulin resistance becomes a primary strategy for treating or reversing fatty liver disease, emphasizing the importance of addressing this underlying cause through lifestyle changes, proper nutrition, and, in some cases, medication. Ceasing the consumption of a diet rich in saturated and trans fats is instrumental in reversing fatty liver disease. These fats, when ingested, undergo processing in the liver. Excessive intake surpasses the liver's capacity to effectively metabolize and process fats, resulting in the accumulation of fat in liver cells, a condition known as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Saturated and trans fats pose additional problems by not only contributing to weight gain, but also inducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver. Avoiding foods high in these fats is crucial, providing the liver with the opportunity to naturally heal. By eliminating the excessive intake of problematic fats, individuals support the liver's ability to restore its balance, mitigate inflammation, and alleviate oxidative stress, essential steps in the reversal of fatty liver disease. Rapid weight loss, particularly through extreme diets or medical interventions, can contribute to fatty liver. When individuals undergo drastic weight reduction, the release of fats from adipose tissues surpasses the liver's capacity to process them. In the pursuit of rapid weight loss, some resort to risky methods, including diuretic pills and appetite suppressants, intensifying the release of stored fat. This overwhelms the liver, impeding its ability to metabolize the excess fat effectively. Consequently, fat accumulates in the liver, leading to fatty liver disease. Emphasizing the importance of natural weight loss approaches is crucial, as they not only aid in shedding pounds but also help reverse fatty liver conditions, promoting overall liver health. Prioritizing sustainable and healthy weight management is key to preventing fatty liver. Excessive levels of blood fats, particularly triglycerides and low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, play a pivotal role in the development of fatty liver disease. When there's an overflow of circulating fats, the liver endeavors to process and store them. However, if this influx surpasses the liver's metabolic capacity, it results in the accumulation of fat within liver cells, leading to fatty liver disease. Elevated blood fat levels often coincide with insulin resistance, a condition where cells become less responsive to insulin. Insulin resistance triggers the liver to intensify fat production and release into the bloodstream, exacerbating fat buildup in the liver. The combination of increased fat influx and inflammatory responses further advances non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Consequently, maintaining optimal blood fat levels through a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle is essential in preventing and managing fatty liver disease. In essence, understanding that fatty liver is a reversible condition empowers individuals to take control of their health. By making conscious choices like moderating alcohol intake, adopting a healthier lifestyle, and shedding excess weight, one can actively contribute to the liver's natural ability to heal and overcome fatty liver disease. I'm Asonaba Owusu Aduomi, an herbal doctor at OA Organic Foods and Wellness Center. Our expertise lies in using natural and organic herbs to treat diverse ailments. Providing international services, we ensure treatment and delivery to your location. For inquiries and online consultations, contact the number displayed on the screen. Your holistic health journey begins with us.